everybody, my name is Kramer Nunez, and I'm here on this video to show you how you can fill out your KYC information in your back office. That way you can actually get paid, okay, and you can create and manage e-pins as well. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do here is go to where it says My Profile. Okay, you can view your profile, you can change your password, you can check out your KYC info, which for those of you who don't know what that is, that's know your customer. Okay, and then manage address. So we are going to open that up. Okay, and here you will see a little bit about the KYC policy, where it's basically keeping in order with national and international laws about money laundering and such. So basically we want to make sure that you're not working for El Chapo or something like that, and you're not laundering money. And so you're going to have to submit the following documentation: proof of identity, signed brand ambassador agreement, and proof of address. So you can find the ambassador agreement here in Spanish and English. I'm assuming you guys watching this in English are going to want it in English. Okay, so you just download it and you can sign it. Okay, so there's two ways you can do this. So you can print it out, sign it, and send an image of that, which is just complicated. Or you can look up in Google, PDF signing online or something like that. I'm sure Adobe has one for free, and you just upload the document, sign it, and then you download the signed copy. That's what you want to upload. Make sure uploads are no bigger than 5 megabytes. Kind of funny that the agreement is 11 megabytes, so you'll probably have to Google a page where you can compress PDF files. It should be fairly easy. You just upload it. It takes a couple seconds, and you download the compressed file and upload that. So here you're going to have to upload your ID. Okay, obviously I've already done this, right? So you would find a button here that says upload. It lets you pick where you're gonna get it from, your computer or online or whatever. So proof of ID, your signed agreement, and your proof of domicile or address, and that's going to be like a bank statement with your address on it, or maybe if you have another form of ID that has your address on it, or it can either be like some bill, like the electric bill or something that has your address on it. You hit save, and in about 2 or 3 business days you should be approved. I mean, you could always let your upline or leader know that you've done this, and maybe they can talk to me or someone and get this expedited. But basically it's about 2 to 3 business days. They're always checking this stuff. It could be the same day, you never know. But it's very important to do this in order to actually get paid and be able to manage and create e-pins, which is very important in our business. And yeah, that's basically it on that. Very easy to do. And I hope that you found this video useful and that it's helping you on your path to building a great business here at iXGlobal with us here at Revolution International and the iX team. So with that, thank you very much, and we'll see you in the following videos.